Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I'm making some popcorn chicken. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Or chicken nuggets, whatever you want to call it. My kids call it popcorn chicken. So it's very easy. I have some chicken breasts. You can use chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs. I've used it with both. Chicken thighs are much juicier to me, but the chicken breast is good as well. So it's very simple. I just cut my chicken up in not so perfect cubes, not too small, not too big, and just cut them up and then clean them up, and then we're going to go seasoning them up. So here we have all-purpose seasoning. We have some meat and poultry seasoning, some oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and some black pepper. You season your meat to your discretion. I like my food to be seasoned, and my kids, if it's not seasoned well, my picky child, he won't really eat it. He'll just eat off the crispy bits, and he won't eat the chicken. So you season to your taste. Just make sure that it's coated very, very well. Okay, so we're going to season it up, and then I'm using a wet batter for this. If you don't want to use wet batter, or you never used a wet batter before, you can just use an egg wash. So I did season up my wet batter, and I used all the seasoning I just showed you. And I also seasoned my flour as well. With that kick, if you don't, the chicken kick, if you don't like your food spicy, and if you don't have that, I would just add a little red pepper flakes, because that's what makes that kick so spicy. It had cayenne and red pepper flakes in it, but it's really good. I found it at Aldi's. I'm not sure if they still have it or not, but it was around the summertime when they had their different kind of seasonal rubs out. But it's really good in here. It tastes really great. So we just season that up, and I let the chicken coat in the wet batter for a little bit, and then dip them in a dry and shake off the excess. Press it down first, and then shake off the excess that's on the batter. And we just continue to do that. We let our oil heat up over medium heat, and cook them up. That was my number one picky baby, and he had to touch the camera while he leave out the kitchen. Boy. So we're just going to fry them up. It doesn't take long to fry. Once I start to see, if you have a meat thermometer, you can use a meat thermometer. But for me, once I see them start to float, that's when I know that they're done. But it doesn't take long to fry, probably about 5 to 10 minutes, if that, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, and we're done. And you're just going to continue the process until you have all your chicken fried up, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you give this recipe a try for your picky little ones, and have a wonderful day and Happy New Year. Thank you guys. Bye.